the very late start to the vlog. Yeah, it's snowing. It is like a winter wonderland outside. It is a big snowstorm. Our colleges got canceled today. It's crazy, but we're gonna go sledding. What do you do when you're almost 20 years old on a snow day?
Go sledding.
You go sledding. Hannah.
Think about the hill. Oh my god.
Literally my issue.
Oh my god, I hate it.
Maybe this wasn't a good idea.
I have regrets.
Regrets. Not to hit the people.
Okay, well, same. Wait, we're gonna hit him. We're gonna hit him. We're going. I'm so afraid. I'm so afraid.
They're making fun of us. Ooh, hat hair. Hello, we are back from sledding. We got some brunza. It's brunza's life. We almost died, so that's fun.
I had fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Bodies are sore. I don't know how we did this when we were like 10 years old.
I ate so much snow on the way down. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I hurt.
We're just finding a scary movie to watch.
What else will we be watching?
Yeah. So I'll just talk to you guys later, probably tomorrow, when we're like chilling. What is up, you guys? It's actually the next day now. I just got back from all my classes for the day, and I went and got some coffee. I visited Hannah at work, and she literally put a love you bitch heart, Hannah. But yeah, so it's the next day. The last time you guys probably saw was when we went sledding. I kind of concluded the vlog because we had a movie night and had some food, and we honestly just kind of chilled. So I just didn't really feel like vlogging. Plus, we were super exhausted from sledding. I have to say, I have not been sledding in like 10 years, which is crazy. I'm almost 20, and I haven't been sledding in like 10 years. And I really miss it. Like, it's really fun, but I just don't have the energy to do it as much as I did anymore. Yeah, today was good. I had class today. Classes didn't get canceled. Some of the schools in our area did, because this morning it was really, really slick on the roads, but now it's okay. So, I mean, I guess it's kind of good that it didn't. Yeah, I've had a really easy week this week. I have one more class tomorrow, and then I'm done, so that'll be good. I'm actually gonna go, I am home. I'm sitting in the parking lot, and I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, and then I am gonna go to the gym. So super excited about that. It's leg day, gonna hit some legs. And yeah, so probably talk to you guys later. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. I might nap because I'm tired and I haven't had my nap for the day, so I'm gonna do that. Hey guys, it is actually, what day is it? It is Thursday. I have a little bit of makeup on, nothing too crazy. I just threw on a little bit because I have an errand to run after class. But I wanted to come on here and kind of conclude this vlog. I know I was supposed to vlog yesterday after I got home, but you know, I just got busy with homework and having to do stuff and just getting videos edited, so I got busy, forgot to vlog, so I'm sorry. But today, after class, I'm meeting with a couple of recruiters. It's a long story. Not really a long story, but I'm gonna probably make a whole video on it once I get it. I'll figure it out for respiratory therapy stuff, so yeah, that's exciting. But I thought I would go ahead and conclude this vlog. It was a little bit shorter today. Basically, the whole point was we decided to vlog because we wanted to go sledding when it was super snowy outside, and yeah, this vlog was a little bit shorter than my other vlogs, but that's okay. I mean, it's just a little something for you guys. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and subscribe down below for new videos every week. I'm gonna start getting out 2 videos a week, which I know is crazy. I usually do 1, but I'm gonna try to pump out 2, so that's exciting. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it again, and I will see you guys next time.